Let's take a look at the chart action for Ethereum to Bitcoin. And we're going to be looking at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. So I did a video the other day on the Dogecoin to Bitcoin chart, and this is basically the same. If this chart is going down, then that's good for Bitcoin, and if this chart goes up, then that's good for Ethereum. And I kind of just wanted to put this on your guys' radar. If you haven't been looking at this chart, we've been trending down in this channel pretty much, and we're also coming up. If we go to the daily time frame, we have some bottoms right here. We have a previous bottom right here, and we have a previous bottom right here. We wicked down a little bit more, but that's pretty much where the bodies are on the body is on the daily. So what I'm thinking is there's some potential in Ethereum right now. If you I don't know, I think if we break this trend line right here, then that's going to be a good sign for Ethereum, in my opinion, because yeah, it's just when Ethereum's doing good to Bitcoin. We can go over here and look at the Ethereum chart. That's the other kind of thing I wanted to show you guys. We haven't. I know I was talking about this inverse head and shoulders, and I had a target up here sitting around 3,900. But we went up, we got a nice little pump, and it kind of seems like we're consolidating still, but it kind of seems like we're heading down, we're trending down. So what I'm thinking is I have a little position right here, and then I set up the limit order as well. So either it's going to break out and go higher. I think that's another thing. If we look at, I'm kind of looking at this. I was looking at this on the 1 hour, but I should probably be looking at this on the 4 hour. Now it's given it some time. We can kind of adjust it a little bit more. Something like this. I guess because I'm looking at these two spots right here, this top and this top kind of going down. It looks like we kind of bumped into it. I think we could kind of adjust it because we got some more resistance on there, something like that. So basically we're bouncing in between this little pattern right here, opening channel, or I don't know what it's called, but it's basically going like that. And I would say we were just watching to see if it breaks to the upside, but it is trending down right now. That's why I have a limit order set at 3394, the 61% level on the Fibonacci retracement. Or did I do it backwards? Okay, I did it a little different this time. But that is the 61%. I guess it'd be the 38% level too if you do it backwards. The other thing I was trying is the Fibonacci retracement inverted, because I usually do it from the bottom to the top. And yeah, this level is the 38% level. I was just playing around with doing it the inverse because you can get some levels going to the upside. If you zoom out, there's levels going to the upside. So yeah, I'm watching that limit order, or I'm watching this level at 3,394 for a limit order, and maybe a possible bounce, maybe somewhere over here. But if not, I mean, it looks like we're testing this line right now here, so it's possible that we just break out right now. Not too sure. I mean, I still think, let's see, until we break, let's get rid of a lot of this stuff. But I was going to say, until we break this line right here, once I get rid of all this stuff, we're still on this uptrend where we have this bottom, pretty much bottom right here where we're going up. So I would extend this line right here, and until we break that one, then we're still like trending up pretty much. But if we break this one, it's possible that that's a lower low, because we have a lower high, and then a high going downwards. I think the next thing is, yeah, just watching this and watching that 38% level at 3394. But if we break out right here, I'm still targeting this and this area to see, I don't know, maybe if it comes up, get a bounce down, or maybe some resistance. I'm watching these for resistances basically. So yeah, I think the main point of the video, though, that's why I started the video, is the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. This is, I don't know, this looks kind of good to me because it's been going down, and waiting for, actually we're about to cross, or what, we're about to hit this bottom right here that I showed you earlier, where we have a bottom and then a bottom, and we're about to hit that right now. So what I'm saying is maybe we'll get a bounce on there, and then I think once, if that does happen, or if we can actually break out of this channel going to the upside, then we might have a nice move. The only thing though is if you look back, we had another one right here where we had some bottoms, something like that. I don't know, maybe something like that. It broke that to the upside, but it didn't go that far. So I mean, what you could do is probably target from the top to the bottom, bare minimal of the channel, and then at the breakout you could target something like that. And then I don't know if it goes higher than that, I would say, then that'd be a good sign. And so yeah, Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, I would say keep your eye on it, and if it breaks this line going to the upside, might be good for Ethereum. All right, let me know what you guys think. If you guys liked the video, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.